19th. This is video number 2 today, showing how the RSVP button embed for the MailChimp campaign that I just sent out works. Essentially, it is an embedded calendar invite, so you see it right here. I'm going to click this button, RSVP here, to get the calendar invite with the limited merch offer. You're going to see what happens. I'm going to go to a redirected landing page. It says my calendar invite is on its way for Zack for the Buffalo Bills versus the Ravens. That is for 9/7/2025. Starts at 6:20. I'm going to go back to Zack's email right here. I'm going to go back one, and there's Zack. Has this received the calendar invitation in it? He's going to say yes. And basically, what Zack sees as the end user or the MailChimp email list customer, he sees the event message. If you click to get the calendar invite, we'll send you updates on the day of the game for the secret booth number. Stop by and get a free jersey. So that's the promotion. I'm going to leave that over here. Going to go back to Zack's email box. You see it there live. And you'll see that this data now is being collected right here. We collected a calendar receipt, which we're communicating back to the AWS Calendar Invite server for calendar receipts for anybody that clicks the calendar invite button in the MailChimp campaign. You'll see it right there. There's the data. Now I'm going to take on the persona of Mandy over here, and I'm going to change the data again. So Amanda is going to go back into the calendar, being the organizer of her calendar, communicating to the calendar snack engine. It's talking to a set of APIs on the AWS Calendar Invite server. She's going to use the same create command. And what I'm going to do is scroll down a bit. And so what I'm going to do is update this message. And basically, I'm going to use the booth number now. So here's the surprise booth number. I'm going to disclose it as set up now that we know it's surprise booth number 983. I'm going to copy it out of my clipboard. And I'm going to subtract this one, add this one. So there it is. I'm going to put update 1 to the customer. And I'm going to hit save. So now it says it in the organizer's calendar, Mandy at techvader.com, who owns the console here and owned the MailChimp campaign that she sent out. Zack clicked it, and now it's on Zack's calendar. I showed you over here. And I'm going to update it being Mandy, being the organizer. I'm going to push it out, and when you're going to see the magic happen here. I just push that to the AWS Calendar Invite server. It's going to send out an auto message to anybody downstream that's received the first calendar invite, which is Zack, is one of them in the subscription list for MailChimp. And you can see that Mandy at techvader.com is the sender. It sent it out, and Zack just received his surprise update right there. Stop by our booth, 983 NFL game, to get the $125 jersey. And Zack's going to say, hell yeah, I'm going to go to that. And you're going to see a reflash here on the screen. And it's going to collect the same calendar receipt. And we know that Zack is coming to this particular game. That's the end of the demo. Thanks.